Could you please jump into the pond?
She did. What a frog! Okay.
One jumped into the pond where it was nice and cool, and there were 4 speckled frogs.
It's okay, I'm cool.
Are you filming this?
And so you go over to, now how many frogs do we have left? Does anyone know?
4.
Let's make sure.
1, 2,
Notice I go really slow so they don't say the next number.
3, 4.
4 green and speckled frogs. Okay, let's hit it.
4 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool.
How many speckled frogs do we have now? Are you sure? Are you sure?
We should count again.